back again to this another tutorial. It's your boy Chaps Buns as usual. So today I'm here again with another video. So we shall be trying to see how to fix issues in your Gmail in case you're not receiving notifications. So this is what I'll be showing you. So if you have a Gmail account and you're not getting notifications, I'll be showing you how to fix it. For example, you're receiving emails but you're not getting notifications. So what you need to do is you'll come to your Gmail application, open your Gmail application. After opening it, tap on these ones, then go to settings, allocate settings. Then after going in settings, choose the email account, the one which is not receiving notifications. So for example, I'll go with this one. I'll tap on it. Then after tapping on it, tap on notifications here. So you have to select this one. Sometimes you'll find it is in none or high priority only. So choose all email notifications. Then after, go ahead to tap on inbox notifications. So when you reach here, you have to make sure label notifications is ticked, then also notify for every message. So play sound vibrate when each message service arrives. So when you check this box, then you'll have put a very important notification. So this option will allow you to receive all the emails which come in your inbox and you'll be able to see them in time. So that's how you set that one. So that's how you set it. Yes, that's how you set it. If you are not receiving email notification, Gmail notifications, that's how you do the settings. So I'll go back a step a bit behind so that I can show you. So find your settings. After finding your settings, go ahead and choose the email address which is not receiving the notifications. So go ahead and make sure the notifications you select all. Then after, also go in inbox notification and check this box also, notify for every message. So you will be able to receive all the messages in your inbox like that. So you'll be able to receive all the notifications. They also pop up here on your tray. They also pop up on the notification side, like these notifications, how you can see them for Instagram and other applications like that. Then you'll be able to get a sound tone of every email that pops in your inbox, guys. So that's it for today, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you, how to fix these notifications if you're not receiving them, mostly for these Android devices. But this one is a general issue. It can also be on iOS and other types of mobile phones. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll leave you for now. Bye.